So I have a smoke detector here that's beeping once a minute, and clearly it needs a new battery in it. Sometimes these are wired in, sometimes they're just freestanding. Sometimes the battery compartment is here so you have easy access to it. Unfortunately in this one that's not the case. The other thing that happens sometimes is that, see where that pinhole is here? There's a plug in here that prevents this thing from coming undone and falling, but the pin is not here. So I twist it counterclockwise a little bit, and underneath we have the compartment or the connector for the power. This one's a powered one. I've turned the power off to it. Click on the tabs on the side, undo it, and open this compartment. Sometimes the reason for the beeping is that some of these smoke detectors have an expiry date on them, and sometimes they'll beep to tell you they've expired. This one here says replaced by 2033. They're usually good for 10 years. This is clearly not expired. Pull this out, it's got a little tab to pull it off. Put a new battery in. Make sure you match up the positive. There's a little picture here. Shows you where the positive and the negative should go. So I'll put that in on top of the yellow band. Push it in. Close this cover. Now there's a little red tab thing here that you have to, before you put the battery in, as you're putting the battery in, you push this red thing down. Then you close it, and now the lid can come down and cover the battery. It's hard to see with the camera in front of me. There we go. Now I'm just going to reconnect this. Wow, it's really hard to do one-handed. So I believe it goes on like this. And we have these two items here that's for locking mechanism. We just have to match it up. It'll be close to where that slot is. So we just kind of go around it, find out where it goes, and then twist it in place. And of course, I'm not going to be able to do it easily with one hand. Two hands while trying to balance the camera on my shoulder. I think I'll just leave it at that. That's how you do it. Well, or not. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.